I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your M&T Bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the M&T Bank website. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Services tab on the main menu. Click on it, then select Security Settings from the drop-down. Step 3. Manage Devices. In the Security Settings section, look for Manage Devices or a similar option. Click on it to see a list of devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Identify the device you want to remove. There should be an option next to it that says Remove or Delete. Click that option. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you accidentally remove a device, you may need to go through the verification process to add it back later. I hope this helps you manage your devices easily.